Question came in, what's the difference between short-term and long-term investing? In other words, how long should I let my investments sit before I sell something? Investing, by definition, is long-term. The word for what is often called short-term investing is actually speculation. Short-term investing is always a bet about a price, or a bet that a price will change and a reward can be reaped quickly. It's strange to me that we know how this story ends 9 out of 10 times, but there's still people that pursue it anyways. We live in a timing and a selection culture where speculating on the short-term direction of economic and market trends is normal feature of both our media lives and our friendly conversations. All the academic research on the topic tells us that we should steer clear of speculating or short-term thinking when we're investing. The reality is no one has any idea what's going to happen in the short term. If you ask 100 people standing in a room to flip a coin 100 successive times, if you ask 100 people in a room to flip a coin successive times, and with each flip, we ask those people who get tails to sit down, then after about 5 flips, you're still going to have 2 or 3 people, still standing up. After 1 flip, it'll be 50. After 2, it'll be 25. After 3, it'll be, 12 or 13, and then it'll drop to 6, and then it'll be 3 or 4 will be left at the very end. That's luck. Heads, someone that flips heads, 5, 6 times isn't better at flipping a coin. They're just lucky. Same goes for those managers who end up on the top over short periods of time. They will change over time. You can't predict who's going to be successful eventually. Getting lucky with investing is just like getting lucky flipping a coin. Sometimes you're going to pick the thing that does well. Sometimes you're not. In order to get lucky long-term, it's better to think about owning everything. No one has ever been able to time the market to predict the economy consistently over time. You're better off simply not trying. You're better off buying a broadly diversified equity investment and then holding them forever. When you have a little bit of money to add it. When you need a little bit of money to spend, sell a little bit of that investment and then move on with the rest of your life. Don't make short-term decisions about investments. The only thing worthy of the name investing is long-term. Again, thanks for listening. If you have a question, pop it in the comments below. Subscribe to our weekly commentary, the Mindful Money Weekly, and that link will also be below. Thank you.